Hi, in this video let me show you how you can adjust the bass of your Bose TV speaker soundbar. For this you'll need the remote control, and if you have lost your remote control, well, you can always get a replacement one that works the same for much cheaper. I'll put a link in the description if you don't have one. So step number one is to turn on the soundbar. So I'll press the power button here and I can see the light being turned on. The good thing about this is that you can adjust the bass for your TV and for any Bluetooth device separately. So you can have two levels of bass depending which device you have connected. To adjust the bass, you need to press this bass button during 3 seconds while pointing the remote towards the soundbar. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You're going to notice after 3 seconds, both will be blinking. At this point, you can use volume up and volume down to change the bass level. If you are in TV mode, you're going to change the bass of the TV. If you put yourself in Bluetooth mode by pressing the Bluetooth button and then keeping pressed the bass button 3 seconds, you're going to adjust the bass in Bluetooth mode. Here in the manual, let me just show you, it will be easier. It shows you that usually by default, once you press 3 seconds on the bass button, the light should be blinking over here. This is because the level of the bass is at 0. You can use the plus button to enhance the bass to level 1 and also to level 2. That's the maximum. Or you can remove bass by going to -2. And depending what you choose, you're going to have a different level of light. Over here, if you are in TV mode and you press twice on the plus button after being in the bass mode, well, you'll be at the maximum and the light will be turned off. This only tells you that you're at the max. For Bluetooth mode, if you put it to the max, the light will be white. So that's a great way to adjust the bass. Again, 3 seconds on the bass button. And now, using these buttons, I can adjust. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.